Shape up your shrubs with the cord-free convenience of the 24-volt 18-inch cordless hedge trimmer from Sunjoe. Perfect anywhere power is at a premium. Sunjoe features the exclusive 24-volt ION Plus battery system. The included 2-amp-hour battery offers eco-friendly no-fade power and performance with up to 35 minutes of rechargeable runtime. Sunjoe is cord-free and maintenance-free, so you can get your trimming task done without having to worry about gas, oil, tangled cords, costly seasonal tune-ups, or toxic emissions. Trim, hedge, edge, and clean up your overgrown bushes. The powerful 250-watt motor and dual-action blades provide up to 40% less vibration than traditional single-action machines to shear through those shapeless shrubs. The durable 18-inch rust-resistant steel blades cut cleanly through branches, twigs, and stems up to 6/10 of an inch thick for a perfectly groomed hedge every time. And with user-friendly features like the dual-handed grip, built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starting, and front handguard to protect against accidental blade contact, Sunjoe makes cutting down your landscaping to-do list easier and safer than ever. So maintain a well-groomed yard and garden. Just go with Joe, the 24-volt 18-inch cordless hedge trimmer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.